I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying account-level essentials. Enable Steam Guard and wait 15 days if newly activated, because Steam blocks trades until then. Once done, make sure both sides can view each other's inventories. Private inventories or limited accounts stop exchanges. Also check for trade bans or VAC restrictions that prevent trading. These checks prevent common rejections and explain why trades fail before you try more complex fixes. Now that basics are clear, move directly into the connection and offer steps to resolve in-progress trade issues. You next focus on refreshing the connection and the trade itself. Restart Steam and sign out, then back in to refresh your session tokens, because stale sessions often block offer updates. If a trade offer fails, cancel it and recreate the offer carefully, reselecting items and noting timestamps to avoid duplicate items. Once recreated, use the Steam mobile app to confirm the trade immediately if two-factor authentication is required. This prevents timeouts. Make sure both parties accept promptly to avoid offer expiration or item conflicts. You finish by completing the trade and verifying results. Accept the offer, confirm it on the Steam mobile app, then check inventories to ensure items moved correctly. If the trade still stalls, clear Steam's download cache and update the client, because corrupted cache or outdated builds disrupt trading. As a fallback, collect trade ID, timestamps, and screenshots, then contact Steam support explaining steps you took. Include evidence so they can investigate. If something goes wrong, that single troubleshooting tip, gather clear proof, speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.